In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Argos student discount codes. We'll walk through a simple way to find and apply current codes using a trusted coupon site so you can save at checkout without any hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and search for the phrase coupon follow. You're looking for the official coupon follow website. When you see couponfollow.com in the results, click it to head straight to their homepage. This site aggregates active promo codes from many retailers, and it's a quick way to see what's working right now. Once you're on the site, use the search bar at the top and type Argos. Select the Argos store page from the results to open a list of available offers and codes. This page is where you'll find discounts that can apply to a wide range of Argos products. Some will be general offers, and others may specifically mention student savings. Scroll through the list and read the short descriptions beneath each code. Look for student labeled discounts or codes that match what you're buying. Pay attention to any notes about exclusions, minimum spend, or categories. You might also see information like how recently the code was used or when it was last verified, which helps you choose something more likely to work. When you spot a code you want to try, click Show Coupon Code. This will reveal the code and often open a new tab to the Argos website. Keep both tabs open so you can copy the code and shop at the same time. Next, click Copy to place the code on your clipboard. If your browser doesn't copy it automatically, just highlight the code and copy it manually. Now go to your Argos tab and add your items to the basket. Before you place your order, look for the promo voucher or discount code box at checkout. Paste the code into that box and click Apply. Make sure the discount shows on your total before you complete payment. If the code doesn't apply, it may be expired or restricted. Simply switch back to the Coupon Follow tab and try another code from the list. A couple of quick tips. Ensure you're shopping on the correct regional site for your location, such as the UK domain, since codes are often region-specific. Codes change frequently, so if one doesn't work today, check back later or around sales periods. And finally, always verify the terms on the code to avoid surprises at checkout. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be set to grab Argos student discount codes and save on your next order.